back, YouTube. All right, guys, this project that we're taking an adventure down is a little bit more wiring, and it's actually fog lights for my F350 Super Duty. Been using just H11 LED bulbs, and I haven't been real pleased with them. They're real bright. I get high beamed all the time, and we all know how LED lights are when they're in an incandescent bulb housing. It just spreads light all over the place. So instead, I found, for my Fab Four bumper, I found some actual lights that are made for the bumper. Let me get these out, this thing out right now for you. Take a look at. It's an actual housing. So, in theory, it should be better. I should be able to actually adjust them and get them where I want them, so then maybe I'm not high beaming everybody. So, without further ado, here they are. So, these will go in the fog lamp setup. What I was just noticing a second ago when I walked over and started up the truck was that the bulbs I have right now, they have fans on them, and those fans they sound like doo-doo. So wasn't sure how to exactly do it, and wanted to figure it out. So I've already done this one. It's already spliced together with a connector. Had to steal the connector off the bulb that's already on the truck. So I'm gonna go steal the other one, and I'm gonna put y'all on a time lapse of me getting this one spliced together. I'm gonna be using, let's see, let's hope I still have some little ones. I'll be using one of these, so set that right there, and then two of these connectors that actually have solder inside of them. That's what I used when I did the new connectors here on the 1000, because I had the low side connector on this side was broke. So I changed it out, spliced it all together, and I used those. So I'm gonna use two of these little ones because the wire's itty bitty on there. Those two, I'll show you. This wire, itty bitty. It's even smaller on the connector over there. So I'm gonna go over there, unplug it, cut it off, bring a piece back, cut all this down, and get these things wired up and let y'all watch. So show y'all what I'm doing. So looks like I got a mess with some wiring up in here. We'll cut that one. That zip tie. Cut that zip tie. I should be able to get to this connector. And it's going to be that one right there. Put y'all down like that. Get this one cut off. So this is all I did. I unhooked that, cut that. I'm gonna strip it back, strip the wires back. Boom. Easy breezy. Not cover girl. I'm sure they like transvestites or some shit now. So I'm gonna get to this. I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse. So enjoy. done. They're both ready to go be installed. Now I'm going to go see what that's going to take to do, and get crawled up underneath there. Like I say, I'm going to put this stuff away so I don't have a bunch of stuff just laying around and taking up space. And potentially, you know, I don't know. I need to do a better job of keeping my workspace clean. It's hard to do when you've got several projects going at once. But I'm going to try to do better from here on out. Get the job done, finish it, and go on. All right, so I'm going to go see what we need to do to change these out. Not sure what it's going to take. Looks like it's going to take a couple, probably 8 mils or something like that. So we'll get to looking at that. All right, I'll be back. Change of events. So I have to get this one out and this one out. As you can see, that one rounded out, and I've been drilling it out. Well, my drill bit, it just broke. So the pains of working on older stuff. So I put some PB Blaster on it last night. That didn't do any good on the back side for the nuts and everything. So I'm gonna try to get this one point of no return. I gotta drill it out. Of course, this is plastic. It's getting hot and it's melting it. But I'm gonna try on the rest of them. I've got my torch. I'm gonna try using my torch and heating them up and seeing if I can't break them loose that way. Before I gotta do that, I'm gonna have to run to the parts store and try to find a Allen with a socket, because my Allen wrenches are too short, so I can't get enough leverage on them. So, you know, the pains of working on your own shit. But hey, you know what? I don't have anything else going on today. Yeah, I got some other projects I need to do, but I want to get this one done and knocked out. So, giving my truck a little bit of a facelift. I got some other things I want to do to it too. But hey, it all costs money and everything else. So stick with me. I'm gonna get this out, show y'all how to do it. Maybe the right way, maybe the wrong way. Who knows? We'll see how this works out. All right, guys, I got one drilled out. Looks like I'm gonna drill that one out too. I went ahead and already ordered a new bezel for this side and the other side, just to I mean, they're gonna get messed up. They're already faded, so I'll get new ones, put them on there, and make it look good, and probably come up with something different than these damn Allen heads. All they do is strip out. So I'll try to get all these drilled out, and then we'll go and try to get the rest of that out. But like I said, got them on order, so we'll get that done here in a few days. All right, guys, we got the first one in. I just need to bolt it up, waiting on the bracket to finish drying up. And then I'll bolt all those up. Looks good to me. This one, I still got to get this one out, and I'm gonna have to drill that one out. It's already rounded out, but this side went a lot better. So we'll get back to it. Boom, drilled it off, drilled it out. To get that amber light out, it's literally just 3 screws into the plastic. That's 1, 2, and 3. Old bezel's off. Time for the new one. All right, time for the new one. And get it lined up. I want it. Yep. put each one of the screws in, and I'm started. Now, I'll do that other screw. There it is. I'm gonna go nice and gentle with these because you're going into plastic. That's in there. Now you can take it, put it back in there, start putting bolts in. This right here is one of the most satisfying things you can do, just to pull that off. Ooh, that's gonna look good. I hope it works just as good as it looks. We'll find out though tonight. Try to get these all bolted up. I'll clean this one up too. Got a bunch of guts on it. Bug guts. Got to get the bug guts off. But man, that looks really good. I'm gonna get these all bolted up and get it hooked up and see how they look. And finished project, boys. Gonna have to do some adjusting on it, I'm sure, but there she is. We'll see how it performs. If you got an older Fab Four bumper that's this style with the marker lights and the fog lamps, I will have an update for you very soon tonight. See how well they do. All right, y'all. Here is with the new fog lamps that I just installed. It's a little hard to tell. I'll get in the truck and I'll get you a shot. But it just floods it out. It's a good pattern though. Here's the outside view from the truck. Still could use some more adjusting. We're on inside the truck. But there's your pattern. I like this a little bit better. I wish it threw a little bit more light out to the sides. The other ones did that. Of course, the other ones just threw light everywhere and really blinded everybody. These, I haven't been getting near as many high beaming situations where people are flashing their high beams at me. So this is a win-win. I feel like they're a little bit brighter out in front, so then I can see what I'm going against, what's right in front of me. It's kind of hard to see in this truck, but on camera it's a little hard to see, but it works good. All right, everybody, thanks for watching Story Adventures. I got these new fog lamps in on the F350 with my Fab Four bumper, and we're gonna see what they go. The old F350, I think it needs some love. I think it needs some maybe it needs some better headlights. Maybe it needs a color match grille, color match mirrors, maybe. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. It only takes money, right? Hey, enjoy yourselves, guys. Remember, go out on an adventure. Make it part of your story. Later.